9/16. First try. Hey guys, we said we have a part 2 to this video, and here it is. So what we decided is we need to take off this whole grain bin right here, and it's being held on by these legs, and it's just all welded. So we're gonna take the torch and torch those off.
And then inside the grain bin, this auger is held up by these bars right here. And so we're gonna unbolt these bars and take them all off and out. And then once we cut off all the torching on the bottom and torch out the bottom of the grain bin, we'll just be able to lift the grain bin up and off this auger, and then we can deal with the auger after we've got the grain bin off. Oh yeah. I got Beans, my handy dandy assistant. Show yourself, Beans.
Hello.
He's taking one for the team, getting in this gross grain bin with me, because Bryce wouldn't.
Sweet.
First bar is out.
What?
Take it up.
Yes, sir.
And second bar coming out.
Yeah.
One to go.
That's an out. Okay guys, so this plate right here is kind of stuck and we can't pull it out of here, so I'm gonna grind it off. Safety first. Hey guys, looks like we got it out. Good riddance. We have to remove this from the tank so we can pull the grain tank up out of the thing.
One for the money, 2 for the show, 3, let's go. So we got an emergency call from our aunt, so we're gonna head into town and help her with a problem real quick, and we'll get back to that grain grinder as soon as we can.
Okay guys, so we left off yesterday with helping our aunt, and then it got dark so we couldn't video anymore when we were done. So we're starting today. So what we're gonna do today is torch off all the legs and the grain grinder. But it's kind of windy out here, so we're gonna back this truck out and pull the grain grinder into our shop so the torch works a little better. And we'll go with that. It's almost like he knew what he was doing. Safety first. So we got this box right here that holds this auger in place to the grain bin, and it's kind of a bugger to get to with the torch. So we're gonna see if we can't get it from the inside, like right in here. Okay guys, we got everything torched off except for one leg on the other side, just like this. And I'm gonna run up and grab the hydro while Blake torches the other leg off so we can pick it up off the cart, and we'll go from there.
Okay, so Bryce went up and got our hydro tractor. I'm gonna have him lift up that spike on top of the grain bin. And then we will hook the chains on either side and cut off the last 2 legs and lift it up and off.
Last leg, guys, and then we'll pull it off the cart.
Here goes nothing.
Got everything torched off, trying to pick it up. Come on, Betsy. Success!
Yeah. Guys, if you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It really supports us. Thank you. All right, we're gonna grab this forklift, me and B. Say hi, B.
Hi, B.
Okay, we're gonna grab this forklift, we're gonna grab a bunch of pallets so we can set that grain bin on so we can work on it later. Beautiful day for a joyride on a forklift. Well, we got it set on the pallets. We're gonna call that it for today. But we're gonna use these pieces of metal right here, use four of them, and make some legs. But anyway, thank you for watching.
We'll see you next time.